In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the distributor rotor on your GMC K1500. This will be located inside the distributor cap, located under the intake. Let's get started. We're going to remove the two top nuts for our intake. We only have one, you should have two. Lift straight up and remove the intake. We're going to start by marking our ignition wires. We're going to start in the front right, and this will be 1. I'm going to make a second mark, and then we're going to go to 8. And 4. I'm going to mark the side as well. This will be 3. 6 in the back. This is 5. 7. This is 2. And this one is just going to the front. So I'm just going to put a little mark there. Now we can remove all of our wires. On the front and back, you're going to find two 5.5mm bolts. We're going to remove these 2 bolts. You don't have to remove them out of the cap, you just have to get them loose. Remove the distributor cap. We're going to use a flat blade screwdriver under the distributor rotor. We're going to help it up and off. And remove the rotor. I'm going to use a piece of cardboard with a hole in it, and we're going to put it over that rod. Now we're going to use a wire brush and clean up that rod. With it all cleaned up, we can take our cardboard off, install the new rotor. Line it up and push it straight down on. There's a plastic key inside that'll line up with that shaft. Install the rotor cap. There's alignment pins in it, so once it's set, you won't be able to twist it back and forth. It also sits on top of the ignition module. There's a cutout for it. Get the bolts nice and snug. You'll feel them bottom out. We're going to go around installing our ignition coils, starting with 1, being sure they click into place. And we'll go to the other side and find 8. Four, 3, 6, 5, 7. We're going to put in our center one, and 2. So one more time. This is 1, 8, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7, 2. Make sure the boot gets installed onto the intake. Drop this down into place. Install the top 2 nuts. Snug them down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.